all your seats so we can begin the program now. A very warm welcome to all of you to our very own Karnataka Rajyotsava celebration here at also. It's wonderful to see so many of smiling faces with vibrant colors and hues. Thank you very much for coming today. I am Lakshmi Gavara and this is my friend Archana. We will be hosting the event for you today.
ಖಂಡಿತ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ, ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಕಿರಿಯರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಹಳ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಕಾತರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮೂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಖಂಡಿತ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ದೀಪ ಜ್ಞಾನ, ಶಾಂತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಗತಿಯ ಸಂಕೇತ. ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗಿಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸೋಣ. ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗಿಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮುದಾಯದ ಹಿರಿಯರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಬಳಿಗ ಅವರು, ಶ್ರೀ ಸುದರ್ಶನ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀಪಾದ್ ರಾವ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
retired engineer who worked for improving the companies and material. Very proud to have you all with us.
ಶುಭ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಗಣೇಶನ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪುಟಾಣಿಗಳಾದ ಋಷಿ ಮತ್ತು ಖುಷಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್.
ಮಹಾಗಣಪತಿ महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि, महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि, महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि, वशिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि, वशिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितं महागणपतिं महादेवसुतं 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 गुरुगुहनुतं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शातो मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियम् महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकाप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकाप्रियं पप्प मग मरि सनि सरि सप मग मा पप्प मग मरि सनि सरि सप मग म प దని सरि ग म मरि सनि सनि प म सनि प म ग म नि प म रि ग म रि रि स सनि प म ग म नि स ग म पप्प मग मरि सनि सरि सप म ग म प దని सरि ग म मरि सनि सनि प म ग म नि प म रि ग म रि रि स सनि प म ग म नि स ग म महागणपत्यो मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितं महागणपतिम्
ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮೂಡ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ.
Although, I think song was so powerful that John Ganesha would really come in and help her and bless us. Thank you so much, Kushi and Kushi. So, you know why we celebrate Karnataka Rajyotsava? Anybody?
Why do we celebrate? Anybody? Any volunteers?
1956 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಸೂರು ರಾಜ್ಯದಿಂದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಆಯಿತು 1956ನಲ್ಲಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Sorry? Karnataka was made into a state.
ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಕನ್ನಡ 1950ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳ ವಿಭಜನೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ and Karnataka was formed in 1952. On the occasion of this day, we celebrate the Kannada Rajyotsava and also all the states also, they were the golden states in age. And 1952 was the Karnataka form and we call it as Kannada Rajyotsava. And everybody, KPCC in Karnataka Pradesh Congress, and thank you. I recently
Thank you, and welcome to my
Yeah, 1956.
The year is 1956 when Karnataka was formed. Initially it was called Mysore state, where all Kannada-speaking regions were formed into a state, and later it was renamed as Karnataka. So this day we celebrate with immense pride, and it's an honor to honor the language, culture, and history that make our state so special. So, I would like to ask somebody, can you anything that you can see in this picture, name any one of the items. Okay, yes, Aditi.
The top one is
Shravan Bhopura. Shravan Bhopura and what? It is Mahavir Swami. Yes. Yes. So, any other item you want to say? Hampi. Yes. Yes, Hampi Ratha, that is the Hampi chariot.
Mysore Palace.
Yes. This is the Mysore Palace. That's Ravanagoda statue, and this is Hampi Ratha. Yeah, thank you so much for pointing out. It's so nice to know you are well informed about the Kannada state. Can any child here tell us what is the Kannada word for water? Yes. Kannada word for cat. Somebody wanted to say that. Yes, Shilpa, what is that? Yes, thank you so much. So you can see how beautiful it is to know another language and be able to say words in that language. So, actually, what is the best way to learn a language?
Usually they say best way to learn a language is speak, listen, write and read. But in school it happens in the opposite order. But I would like to take this opportunity to say that my mom has a YouTube channel called @Ramadwaraki. I have kept a QR code. She publishes a Kannada story each week. And it's simple and engaging for even younger kids or adults to learn. You're all welcome to subscribe and learn Kannada through wonderful stories. The QR code is outside. Thank you.
Please note, looking to it, those who are interested in learning Kannada, it's not only for kids, it's even for others. Thank you. So today, as part of our Karnataka Rajyotsava celebrations, we will sing one of the most iconic songs of our state, Jaya Bharata Jayamaya Ranujata. This is also called as the Karnataka State Anthem. This beautiful song is written by legendary Rashtrapavi Kuveempu, which honors our heritage, our unity, and the pride we feel for Karnataka as well as India. It's a song that stirs the heart and fills with pride for who we are and where we come from. I invite our singers to come up on stage for the song.
जय भारत जननीय तनुजाते जय हे कर्नाटक माते जय सुंदर नदी वनगढ़ नाटे जय हे भूदेवी अमृत जनवमणिये नंदन चंदन
ವಿಜಯ ನಾಗರಾಜನ್, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ರೇಖಾ ರಾಮಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ವಾಣಿ ತಾರನಾಥ್, ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿ, ಬಿಂದು ಮತ್ತು ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you very much to all the singers. Have a much fun. Thank you. Whenever I hear this song, I feel goosebumps on my myself. How do you feel, Rashna?
ಹೌದು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸುವ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೀತೆ ಇದು. ಕೇಳಿದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ನಂಗೆ.
We are very thankful to the many sponsors we have for our event today. I request all to please visit the shop. We have a photo booth by Nisha Properties, room for the kitchen appliances and utility set. You can also buy some goodies at the Manga Organics as a mark of gratitude, and wish you all to visit the stores and find out with us. Thank you so much.
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ಸು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಒಂದು ಸರ ಸೀರೆ ಉಟ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ಕೊನೆ ವರ್ಷ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮೈಸೂರು ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾರೀಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇಳ್ಕಲ್. ಈಗ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ ಈ ಸರಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಉಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಸೀರೆ?
You see all organizers were wearing one kind of saree. Anyone can guess what kind of saree this is?
ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾರಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್? Markanuru, yes.
Murkanuru is a saree. So where did you buy this Murkanuru?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 4 hours 250 kilometers ಹಾಗೆ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೋದು ನೀವು.
250 kilometers. I'll buy it from Amazon.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಜೋಳದ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ತಿನ್ಬೋದು, ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ತಿನ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೈಟ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಲಿನ ಕೋಟೆ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಒನಕೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಕಿಂಡಿ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರು ಹರಿತಾ ಇರತ್ತೆ ಝರೀಲಿ. ಅದೆಷ್ಟು ತಂಪಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಕುಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ.
Wow, this sounds so interesting. I can make my favorite food and took from the place where it is made. I love holding it. Jordan, very much there. And I'm telling you that one thing is that if I buy the products directly from the leaders, it is very, very helpful for them, and we also get that subsidized rate. Thank you so much for that. And you are mentioning Chitraduga Fort, someplace I really want to see and I want to be amazed by the history and the culture that we have here. Also, you were mentioning Onake Ogawa. Who is this Onake Ogawa? Can you tell me more about Karnataka personalities?
ಈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಪ್ರಖ್ಯಾತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಪುಟಾಣಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಪೆರೇಡ್, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್. ಓವರ್ ಟು ಯು ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ. ಸೊ just like that we have reached 4th year of celebration. Yeah, can't believe, right? It feels like yesterday that we started the tradition and now it's 4th year and it's only getting better each year. Don't you agree? And this year especially is very, very special. Why, you ask me? It's because, see, Karnataka as a land has produced such amazing and great personalities over decades, right? Right from the kings and queens to the sports people and entrepreneurs and so many more. And today we are very lucky to have those people amidst us. Yes, so get ready to welcome our tiny tots and not so tiny tots in the first ever fancy dress parade that is happening in our community, right? Yes, but we have a twist here, okay? So when the child comes here and stands in front of you, now you have to guess what the child is dressed as. Those who know already, please, I request you to keep quiet, the parents and the friends. But all the others, I want you to guess what the child is dressed as, and then the child will introduce themselves. All right? So without much ado, let's begin our fancy dress program. First, coming up is Sarayu Divya Prasad. She's 5.5-year-old. Yes, Sarayu, Barbeku. Can you all take a guess what Sarayu is dressed as? Yes, Nandan, come. Rani Chennamma, that's a very good guess, but you're not right. Yes, anybody else? Usually, this row people always get all the prizes in all my quiz competitions. They are the toppers. So, any guesses from the toppers? Yaru? Howdu, correct. Auntie Rekha auntie is almost right. She's telling the Queen of Ullal. Yes, Sarayu Divya Prasad is today dressed as Rani Abbakka Devi. Big round of applause. Yes, Sarayu will say a few words now. Okay, instead I think the mom can speak maybe. Okay.
Okay, she's dressed as Rani Abbakka Devi. Portuguese, Usharagiri.
So Rani Abbakka Devi is the queen of Ullal. Ullal is a town in the coastal Karnataka. She, very special about her is she's the first female Indian freedom fighter. Way back in 16th century, she fought against the Portuguese. Right? So that was Rani Abbakka Devi for you. Coming up next is 6-year-old Nakul. Come on, Nakul. Woo! Now looking at Nakul, I think it's easy to guess who he can be. No, the family is not allowed. Anybody else? Yes, Asha? Yes! Nakul here is dressed as Tipu Sultan. Let's hear from him.
I am Tipu Sultan and I am the tiger of Mysore.
Yes! Sher-e-Mysore is known as. Very good. Thank you, Nakul. So one more thing I want to tell you is whatever information I'm giving you, please remember because I've always been a quiz master, right? Yeah. So at the end of this parade, I'm going to ask you questions. Okay? From whatever I have told you. So that was Nakul, who's dressed as Tipu Sultan, the tiger of Mysore. Tipu was known for his bravery and very innovative warfare. He was the first one to introduce rockets in warfare in India. Okay? It was known as Mysorean rockets. Alright. Next we have, no fancy dress competition or program in Karnataka is complete without this character. Right? Let me welcome 8-year-old Ananya. Please, Ananya. Whoa. Now she is dressed as, come on. Yes? Ivy? No, sorry. Rani Lakshmi Bai is not from Karnataka. I'm sorry. Rani Chennamma. Pankaj gets it right. Yes. Let's hear from the queen herself.
ಕಪ್ಪ ಕೊಡಬೇಕೆ ಕಪ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ ನೀವೇನು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣನ ತಮ್ಮಂದಿರ ಬಂಧು ಬಾಂಧವರ ದಾಯಾದಿಗಳ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ ನೀವೇನು ಉತ್ತೀರಾ ಬಿತ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂಬಲಿ ಕಾಸಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ
Wow! Big round of applause for Ananya. Now you must be wondering what is kappa. What is kappa? Tax. Okay? So she was against paying tax to the British. It's our land. Why should we pay you taxes? Is what she's trying to tell. She's one of the legendary queens of Karnataka from the kingdom of Kittur in the north Karnataka. And she raised a revolt against Britishers even before the 1857 revolt. You know, she's that old. In 1827, she raised a revolt against Britishers and actually won the first war. Right? All right. The next participant is very special because she is known not for her battles more, but for a unique spice. Yes, let me welcome 5-year-old Arohi Khandelwal. Big round of applause. Arohi is dressed as Queen of Pepper. Did you know there was a Queen of Pepper in Karnataka? No, let's hear from her.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಆರೋಹಿ ಖಂಡೇಲ್ವಾಲ್.
ನಾನು
ನಾನು
ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಭೈರದೇವಿ
ಚೆನ್ನಭೈರದೇವಿ
ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್
ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಆಗಿ
ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ,
Wow, very nice. One more round of applause for her Kannada. Yes, thank you. That's Queen of Pepper, Rani Channa Bhairavi Devi. She was a Jain queen of Vijayanagara dynasty and she actually exported a lot of pepper from the port of Bhatkala, okay, to European and Arab countries and also waged war against Portuguese. All right. Now next we have a very legendary woman, okay. Again, no fancy dress competition is complete without this character. Let me welcome 9-year-old Sara Sinha. Yes. Just by looking at her, I think you guys should tell what she's dressed as. Yes? Some non-Kannadigas? Yeah, very good. Onake Obava. Let's hear from Obava herself.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸಾರಾ ಸಿನ್ಹಾ. ನಾನು ಒನಕೆ ಓಬವ್ವ. ನಾನು ಹೈದರಾಲಿ ಜೊತೆ ಯುದ್ಧ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Very good, yes. Onake Obava is a very brave woman who fought against the soldiers of Hyder Ali when they were trying to enter the Chitradurga fort through a small hole. With her simple pestle, right, the one she was holding is called Onake. She actually hit on the heads of the soldiers and killed several of them. Okay? So she is from Chitradurga, remember, okay? Yes. Next, you know, we cannot have more queens, right? More the merrier. So we have 9-year-old Pratishtha, who's again dressed as the legendary queen whom we saw just now, who did not want to give taxes to the British. Who is she? Kappa Kodabeke, Yaradu. Yes, we have Pratishtha as Rani Chennamma again. Let's hear from her.
My name is ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾ. ನಾನು ಕಿತ್ತೂರಿ ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಕಪ್ಪ ಕೊಡಬೇಕೇನು ಕಪ್ಪ, ನಿಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ? ಕಬ್ಬು ತಿನ್ನಲು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದರೆ ಕಪ್ಪ ಕೊಡಬೇಕೇನು? ಮೋಡ ಮಳೆ ಸುರಿಯುತ್ತದೆ, ಭೂಮಿ ಬೆಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ, ನಿಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ? ಕೆಂಪು ಮುಖದ ಕೋತಿಗಳೇ, ಭಾರತ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೊಲಗಿ, ಭಾರತ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೊಲಗಿ, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Amazing! Pratishtha, super! She's again talking very violently to the British, asking them, why should we pay taxes? This is our land. There is rain, there are crops. Why should we give you anything? Red-faced monkeys, she calls them that. Okay, now let's move from queens and warriors to modern day leaders. But wait, she is also a queen. Yes, we have 9-year-old Sarayu Kalangi, who is one of the most successful women entrepreneurs in this country. Yes. Amazing, everybody gets it right. Yes, Sarayu here is Kiran Mazumdar Shaw. Let's hear from her.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕಿರಣ್ ಮಜುಂದರ್ ಶಾ. ನಾನು ಕಿರಣ್ ಮಜುಂದಾರ್ ಶಾ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I believe in science, innovation and empowering women to dream big. Thank you.
Yes. Now many of you may be wondering why are we having Kiran Ishi Kannadiga and all. Yes, she was born and brought up in Bangalore. She studied in Bangalore. She started her company here. You know how she started? She started in her garage with just rupees 10,000 and now it's a multi-billion-dollar biotech company, Biocon, right? Yes. Now, how can we talk about Karnataka and not talk about sports? Isn't it? Yes. And we have very good athletes that the land has produced. Can we have 10-year-old Manya Davlagar? Woo! Manya here, can you guess what she's dressed up as? Those who know should not tell. It's something new. Guessing, yes. No, she's not Anil Kumble. It's a female athlete, track and field athlete. Yes, Ashwini Nachappa, yes. Sanjay gets it. Manya is Ashwini Nachappa. Let's hear from Ashwini avaru.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮಾನ್ಯ. ನಾನು ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ನಾಚಪ್ಪ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
Very good, Manya. Thank you. Ashwini Nachappa won several golds for India and she's also a recipient of Arjuna Award. And she's also an actress. Did you know? She has acted in some movies as well. Last but not the least, you know, we have a personality right now who did not rule kingdoms but ruled hearts. Yes, with pure love and compassion for environment. Can I have 11-year-old Artha Kiran? Such a simple lady, but she has done something tremendous. Can you guess who she is? Yes, Malika gets it. It's Salu Marada Timmakka. Let's hear from her.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅರ್ಥ. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಸಾಲು ಮರದ ತಿಮ್ಮಕ್ಕ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Very good. You know, ಸಾಲು ಮರದ ತಿಮ್ಮಕ್ಕ ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತುಮಕೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯವರು. ತುಮಕೂರಿಂದ, she's from Tumkur and she has laid over 8,000 banyan trees across, all along the highways. Right? Salu Mara means row of trees. She has been conferred Padma Shri by the President of India recently. Right? Wow. How was this? How was the show? Yes. Let's give a big round of applause to our little heroes and heroines of Karnataka. Right? So, because of them, we also got to know about so many personalities, isn't it? And now, are you ready for the quiz? Yeah? Was from which area in Karnataka? Yes, somebody knew? These people always get all the, Okay, Unnad is the right answer. Can we have the prize, please? Vijay gets the prize from his wife. And he passes it on to his friend. It's a sandalwood dhoop stick this time, manufactured in Karnataka. Now, Kittur Rani Chennamma revolted against Britishers in which year? I told you it was much before. Yes. Yes, I think Ravi gets it. You already have one prize in your house. Now, Onake Obawa, I told you, right? Which fort did she protect? Chitradurga, yes. Rachna gets it. Chitradurga fort is also known as what? ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು, ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಕೋಟೆಯ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು. ಎಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಕಲ್ಲಿನ ಕೋಟೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋಟೆ ಕಲ್ಲಿಂದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದು? 7 ಸುತ್ತಿನ ಕೋಟೆ. ಎಸ್, ದ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ 7 ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವನ್ ಬೀನ್ ಟು ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಫೋರ್ಟ್, ಐ request all of you to plan a trip to Chitradurga. Okay? Now Tipu Sultan introduced something very different in his warfare. What rocket? Mysorean rockets. Yes. I think a lot of people will give it to Rachna. Yeah. Last question. Name the famous badminton player from Karnataka who won the All England Championship first. Yes, I heard it from Anita, so we'll give it to her. All right, before we wind up, let us have all these children who participated in fancy dress again, and I request our President Avinash to come and hand over small mementos to the kids. Please, all of you.
Mr. Avinash, please come to the stage.
Come this side. Children, please come this side. Token of appreciation for all the kids from Mr. Avinash. Sarayu Kiran Mazumdar Shaw. Artha Salu Marada Timmakka. Manya Ashwini Nachappa. Arohi, Queen of Pepper. Rani Channa Bhairadevi. Pratishtha, Kittur Rani Channamma. Sarayu Divya Prasad. Rani Abbakka Devi. Sara Sinha, Onake Omawa. Ananya, Kittur Rani Channamma. Nakul, Tipu Sultan. All right, thank you so much. Thanks to Rekha and Geet for coordinating with the fancy dress. Let's take a picture. Rekha and Geet, please join this thing.
Big round of applause to the participants and the organizers. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Avinash. Thank you all, children. It was a wonderful day to learn more about the important personalities from Karnataka. Also, I want to announce tickets are able to learn a few lines of Kannada through this program. It's so nice. Thank you. Karnataka has a very variety of folk art. Among various folk art forms that are decorated Karnataka, Kamsale is a folk dance of Mysore, Chamarajanagar and Mandya districts. Earlier, in previous years, they brought in many folk art forms like Golodhya and Yakshagana last year. This year, we are going to bring Kamsale, which is a folk art form from the southern parts of Karnataka. It's a vibrant art form with a lot of energy and excruciating performances of the forms of shapes. So it is a vibrant art which involves performers flashing brass symbols called the Kamsale. That is why we have the names. There will be brass discs which will be flashed between each other based on music, and they will be singing songs along with that, and hence the name Kamsale. A program today will be presented by Karnataka Janapada Kamsale Kalavika Sangha, which is from Chandraj State. Over to the artists now.
Samasta ನಿವಾಸಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಯೋಗವನ್ನು ತಾಲೂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಶರಣೋ ಶರಣಯ್ಯ ಗುರುವೇ
ರಂಗೋಲ ಬೆಳಗಿದವು ಬಾಳು ಬೆಳಗಿದವು
small functions here we have, and for that itself we have put a lot of effort. I think sponsored by, please take a seat, please take a seat, we have some more, please come. Most importantly, we would like to felicitate them for this beautiful performance. This event has been brought to about today by Isha Properties. Thank you so much for your sponsorship. And for the directors of Isha Properties, Chandana and Rai, so please come up on stage to press the approval of appreciation to the artists. Today's program was led by Shiva. dedication to deliver to do anything that we ask them to. Clubhouse manager Mr. Avinash, thank you so much. Mr. Raju, always thank you for bringing the best of the night for us. Thanks for the caterers for the lovely food today and the artists, thanks so much. We also like to do a session mentioning when we were still preparing our everyday overnight, the security here at the level was really very helpful. Thanks so much. Most importantly, we are meeting trying to sponsors rather than we would have needed to build up such a big program today. And most important, you all, the audience, thanks for and sharing the knowledge. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for showing our music art to us and it gives us enthusiasm to carry on like this year on year. Thank you. Yes, and now for best time, I'm sure you all are happy. We are going to the vote. I request everyone to go in orderly manner at the same time allow the seniors and kids to take the first seat. They will all get it out, so don't worry, it's not here, there's an answer also there. Please don't worry.